Angie Stone passed away from a tragic car accident, which we all know, but nobody believes that Angie Stone passed away the way that they're saying that she did. They're saying that there were suspicions with the driver, that Angie Stone was receiving strange phone calls the night before she died, and the Sprinter van, allegedly, there was something going on with the Sprinter van and the brakes being cut. Allegedly. Now, we all thought that we were the only ones that thought that Angie Stone passed away suspiciously, but even allegedly Shirley Caesar believes that Angie Stone's death is suspicious. Now, there were suspicions about the driver that Angie Stone was using. They were saying that this man just came out of the blue, and it was said that Angie Stone had a relationship with this guy, that she knew him for a while. Now, I don't know the nature of the relationship. Angie Stone was a grown woman. That's not my business. What I'm more concerned with is, was this woman done wrong? Now, they were trying to say that there was some type of substance abuse on the driver's part, but a family member came out and said that that was not true. I was on Tough News YouTube channel, and he shared some information that I thought I would share with y'all. Please go check him out because he is very up to date with the information he's been sharing. So they communicated with Tough News via text, and the person said, "Are you going to answer your phone today? I have been trying to get a hold of you. I just got word that they investigated the Sprinter van for a possible cut brake line. This is coming from the junkyard that the van was towed to after it was released from the criminal investigation process. There is also an RN from the hospital that they were taken to after the accident that says one of the passengers said Angie says she had a funny feeling after receiving several phone calls prior to her performance the night before she passed. They said Angie said she could almost make out the voice of the person who was trying to disguise it, but wasn't sure if it was the person she thought it was. The person who called Angie was a male who said he was a part of the staff of the venue where she was set to perform in Baltimore at the CIAA. Angie said dude was being aggressive in the asking about her time of departure from Alabama. Angie then asked for his name and credentials, and he hung up. Angie called the events coordinator, and he said no one contacted her from his team and that everything is scheduled as planned. Call me when you get a chance. There is someone who wants to talk to you. It's urgent. Do you know they are saying that Angie and the bus driver were involved and that she knew about his past transgressions with the law and also was aware of his horrendous substance and driving record. But I have been contacted by the cousin of Lethea, and she says he was not driving recklessly despite the narrative they are trying to paint. Also, the church people are talking. Word is out that Pastor Shirley Caesar said she doesn't believe that Angie died the way they said she did. She also said her intuition and discernment will not allow her to believe that lie. What do y'all think about this information? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do y'all really think that Angie Stone was set up? And do y'all think there was an alleged cut brake line to the Sprinter van? There's so much surrounding Angie Stone's passing, Angie Stone's publishing and her royalties, and just the people that was around Angie Stone, period. Let me know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments.